So it's the question on everybody's mind, and we're going to talk about it. Hi, everybody. I'm Dawn Myford, and thanks so much for joining me on Here's the Deal. So, Republicans want to know, are you better off today than you were 4 years ago? Personally, I love this question. This gives us all a chance to revisit where we were 4 years ago. Total financial collapse, utter catastrophe, homeowners underwater. President Obama was handed one of the worst economies that a new president has ever been handed. The only two instances of an economy being in worse shape was the Great Depression and the Civil War. So think about those two little factoids for just a minute. Today, it's not exactly where we want to be, but we've added 3.3 million jobs to the mix. That's a lot more positive than shedding 800,000 jobs a month, which is what was happening under George W. Bush. Home ownership is up, interest rates are down, the auto industry is alive. Osama bin Laden is dead. I think we can all talk about that, in the top 20 terrorists within Al-Qaeda. Personally, in this household, we're way better off today than we were in January of 2009. On a positive note, it's the first day of the Democratic National Convention, and tonight Michelle Obama will address the nation at 9:30. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Dawn Myford, and this has been Here's the Deal.